All right, so this is a suggestion via donation. The name of the song is Hail Mary. This will be coming from the artist Tupac. Listen, if you guys are new here, please like and subscribe. The more that you like this content, the more that I know that you specifically would like to see more of this specific type of content, okay? Let's go ahead and jump into this immediately. Lyrics are pulled up just in case we need them, and definitely make sure you like and subscribe, all right, guys? And if you guys absolutely like just talking about random things, check out the pinned comment, all right? Let's get it.
Machiavellian is Illuminati all through your body. The blows like a 12-gauge shot. Feel me? And God said he should send his one begotten son to lead the wild into the ways of the man.
Hold on, guys. Machiavelli in this, and then he starts quoting like a Bible scripture. Machiavelli was an atheist.
Follow me. Eat my flesh, flesh of my flesh. Come with me. Hail Mary, run quick, see. What do we have here now? I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting pussy.
Agree.
Picture paragraphs unloaded, wise words being quoted. Beat the weakness in the rap game and sold it. Bow down, pray to God, hoping that he's listening. See a niggas coming for me, my diamonds when they glistening. Now pay attention, best man, please, father. I'm a ghost, he's killing fields.
All right, his delivery is absolutely dope. The beat itself is like super ominous, and I think his overall like mic presence on this specific song is definitely aiding with the whole ominous like nature, like the whole vibe of the song itself. It's solid, no complaints. Let's continue.
If I go, let's go deep inside the solitary mind of a madman. Screams in the dark, evil lurks, enemies see me flee. Activate my hate, let it break till the flame. Set trip, empty out my clip, never stop to aim. Some say the game is all corrupted, fucked in this shit. Stuck, niggas is lucky if we bust out this shit. And plus, mama told me never stop until I bust a nut. Fuck the world if they can't adjust. It's just as well, Hail Mary.
Well, that's your mother told you that, guys? Wow. All right. So F the world is what he's going, right? Never stop until he busts, till he busts. Let's just say that, right? And if they can't adjust, wow. All right. Yeah, never stop. Like, if you have a task you're trying to complete, I would agree specifically in the concept of completing a task. I have no idea what his task was, but yeah, never stop. Why not? Right? Let's get it.
Up until I bust a nut. Fuck the world if they can't adjust. It's just as well. Hail Mary with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you want to ride or die? La da 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 da. Come with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you want to ride or die? Penitentiaries is packed with promise makers. Never realized the precious time that bitch niggas is wasting.
All right.
Institutionalized, I live my life a product made to crumble. Much too hardened for a smile. Way too crazy to be humble. We ballin', catch me, Father, please, cause I'm falling. In the liquor store, that's the Hennessy I hear calling. Can I get some more? Hell till I reach hell.
Okay, yeah, this verse picked up a whole lot, guys. The first verse was great, no complaints here. But the second verse, in a sense, is different, guys. The vibe completely changes. Was this video made after he had passed or before? Because he's not in it. Let me know. Let's get it.
I ain't scared, mama checking in my bedroom. I ain't there, I got a head with no screws in it. What can I do? One life to live, but I got nothing to lose. Just me and you on a one-way trip to prison. Selling drugs, we all wrapped up in this living. Like the studs to my homeboys and Clinton Max, doing they bid. Raise hell to this real shit and feel this. When they turn out the lights, I'll be there in the dark, looking eternal through my heart. Now Hail Mary, nigga, come with me. Hail.
So he's basically haunting his enemies, right? The whole video, for the most part, it seems like, okay, so it starts out, example, it starts out with some guys sitting on a couch. They're playing original PS1, right, PlayStation, and they're just playing something on like this tubed back big screen TV, while someone outside the window is obviously watching them. Cemetery scenes. So I'm going to guess he's planning to come back to life, right? Potentially, kind of with where this is going.
Shit and feel this. When they turn out the lights, I'll be nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride or die? La da 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 da. Come with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride or die? La da 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 da.
They got an APB out on my thug family. Since outlaws run these streets like these scandalous freaks. Our enemies dying now. Walking around half dead, head down. K blasted off a Hennessy and tie. Tronic mixed it. Now I'm
I don't know. This guy is, I guess, decent potentially. He sounds very unsure of himself on the microphone, though. It almost feels like he's like severely lacking mic presence, guys.
blistered and high. Visions of me, thug living, getting me by. Forever live, and I multiply, survive by thugs. When I die, they won't cry unless they coming with slugs. Peep the whole scene and whatever's going on around me. Brain kinda cloudy, smoked out, feeling rowdy, ready to.
He's definitely better than the last guy.
And whatever's going on around me, brain kinda cloudy, smoked out, feeling rowdy, ready to wet the party up. And whoever in that motherfucker, nasty new street slugger, my heat seat suckers on the regular, mashing in a stolen black act, Integra, cock back, 60 seconds to the draw. That's when I'm dead in your feet first. You got a nice gap, but my heat swerves from a thug to.
It almost doesn't feel like. Again, this is okay. So here's the problem here, guys. We've encountered now multiple, like I think 3 songs from Tupac that have like other featuring artists on them, and I don't know what it is, guys. There's something odd about it. The features that were chosen for this, right? It's just odd. They just don't have the same vibe, guys. I don't know. I'm not trying to be like an over complainer here, but like the vibe is off with these guys.
Church, I gave you love, now you eating dirt, needing work. And I ain't the nigga to put you on, cause word is born. When I was broke, I had to hustle till dawn. That's when the sun came up. It's only one way up. Hold your head, stay up. To all my niggas, get your pay and wait up. If it's on, then it's on. We rake beat breaks, outlaws on the paper chase. Can you relate to the shit I don't got? Be the shit I gotta take. Dealing with fate.
So it's not that he has come back physically. He's come back to the purpose of just to haunt everyone, basically, guys. Whoever wronged him, he is coming back and extinguishing their lives in very disturbing ways, right?
God, don't close the gate. If it's on, then it's on. We rate beat breaks, outlaws on the paper chase. Can you relate to the shit I don't got? Be the shit I gotta take. Dealing with fate, hoping God don't close the gate.
Come with me, Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see what you be having now.
We've been traveling on this weary road. Sometimes life can be an empty load, but we riding like a bullet. Hail Mary.
All right. Okay. So overall here, the song is very good, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and say that the beat itself is great. I know obviously this I can tell now that immediately because we heard Eminem over Hail Mary, so now we kind of know the correlation. Here's the thing. I would say that the first like maybe two minutes are like dope, right? The vibe is solid, ominous tone, right? Very fitting. The video itself is okay. I don't think it really added much to the song, right? Other than, just extinguishing everyone's lives, right? But I mean, with the name Machiavelli, so that kind of is was a giveaway, a little bit. But here's the thing. So the song itself is solid. At least the first 2.5 minutes is. The other artists that are on the song, I would have preferred them not to be there, and Tupac maybe got a third verse because they kind of made it feel awkward, guys. All right. But all right, listen, let me know in the comments of the next thing I should be listening to from him, and I will get into that as soon as I possibly can. All right. Listen, you guys all have an amazing day. Enjoy it thoroughly.